Yeah. Here's some elk before we even start the Elk Trail.
Yes, and we're all happy that we're seeing
all happy with John and Steve. We are hiking the Elk Trail here in Elk State Forest with John and Steve Snider. Light drizzle, but nice. What I do best? Blackberries this time, and Steve's getting some too. Blackberries.
Greg, it's memories of the rainbow that just flew.
Absolutely. Just taking some video here on the Elk Trail. We kind of missed the trail for a couple seconds. Here's more Elk Trail. It's like a pipeline swath here. Found this nice laurel section. Alright, we're doing the Big Four, Little Dent Run, I believe.
Watch out, you're off at Snider, that's awful slick. I mean, there is a road to this crossing.
This is Dent's Run. And these are the guys I'm hiking with, guys, from video. Thanks for joining me on the Elk Trail today. Yeah, it was a success, and I got some of that. We're still hauling here on the Elk Trail, almost near Little Dent's Run, about the last 5-6 miles. Having a great time. Most of the trail for me is looking down at mushrooms and stuff. Beautiful mushroom.